inside of Adobe Lightroom Classic is open out images as smart objects in Photoshop so that the changes that you make in Photoshop can then later be seen in Lightroom as well. So to do that, I'm going to select this particular picture, and then I'm on my develop module right here. So now I'm going to go around onto photo, and then I'm going to go to edit in, and then over here you can see that open as smart object in Photoshop is an option. So let me just go ahead and click and wait for Photoshop to start. Then you need to wait for a while for the Photoshop to load. So now this is loaded, as you can see right here, as a smart object. So now what you can do is you can go ahead and edit this in Camera Raw as well. So if I were to go ahead and, let's say for example, double click on this image, then this is what you have, as you can see. So this is opened up in Camera Raw. So what you can do right here is make changes to the Camera Raw as you like. Let's say for example, if I were to go around over here just like this, change around the tint right here and press OK, then it gets changed right here just like this. I can go ahead and save this out right here, and then back over here in Lightroom you can see that this is the change right here. It actually takes that particular property from Camera Raw and then applies it out into Lightroom, as you can see right here. And that is how you can utilize images as layers, as smart objects in Photoshop, so that you can edit it with Camera Raw and then import it back into Lightroom Classic just like this. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share and subscribe.